My baby told me with a sigh, saying words that came across as a doubt.
Morning, guys! Morning! Hi! Morning.
Ano ba yung tuturuan namin?
Gabi, ako ba tuturuan nyo? By the way, guys, may quiz pala tayo ngayon. Nag-review ba kayo?
May
Hindi
quiz?
yan.
Hindi kayo nag-review.
Tayo yan, prayer.
Sana all, prayer lang, dadaan sa prayer. Tara na, review na tayo, guys. Tara
na.
Sige nga, tanungin ko kayo. What is the basic unit of life?
Ako, alam ko.
Sige nga, sagot.
The basic unit of life is cell. O,
Bakit?
diba? Alam ko.
Bakit?
Kasi, it's because they are the smallest independent functioning unit of all living organisms.
Magaling. Next naman, tatanungin ko kayo. Sinong scientist ang unang gumamit ng term na cell?
May alam ko. The first person who used the word cell was Robert Hooke. In 1665, he looked in the thin slices of cork under his microscope that reminded him of the small room called cell. So, he named it cell.
Yes, galing! Okay, last na to. Who is the scientist who improved microscope and discovered microorganisms like bacteria and protozoa that helps to provide evidence and cell theory?
Ako, alam ko.
Si Anthony Vidania. Wait, bed. You see?
All rise, the Honorable Judge, Ruben Jr, proceeding.
You may now be seated. Our today's case is Origin and Nature of Cells. Prosecutor Schliden, your opening statement.
Your Honor, I stand here to prove that all plants are composed of cell, and these cells are the fundamental unit of life. In 1838, I discovered that every part of the plants, even the tiniest tissue, in a cellular structure.
Defense, Mr. Schwan.
Thank you, Your Honor. While my colleague focuses on plants, I argue that the same principle also applies on animals. In 1839, I concluded that all animals are made up of cells. Therefore, cells are universal, not just in plants, but also for all living things.
But, Miss Sean, your observation started with animal tissue after my discovery in the plants. Doesn't that mean the idea truly began with plant cell?
Respectfully, Schliden, without my work, the cell theory would be incomplete. I connected the dots between plants and animals, making it a unified biological principle.
Enough. Both of your findings are essential, but let us not forget, cells do not just magically appear. Omnicellula is cellular. Cells comes from pre-existing cells. And that, gentleman, is my contribution to the cell theory.
I respect your addition, Your Honor.
Then, let it be declared, all living things are composed of cells. Cells is the basic unit of life. And last, all cells comes from pre-existing cells. This courtroom recognizes the joint effort that shaped what we know. Court is adjourned.
The lesson is summarized in three statements. First is, all living things is made out of cells. Pangalawa is, the cell is the basic unit of life. And last is, cells come from pre-existing cells. Talaga, kain na tayo. Kain na tayo, Ben.
ka lang ata. Ikaw, uwi na nga tayo.
Sabi niya, dapat nagano'n tayo eh.
In the world of science, we learn that all living things are made of cells. small but powerful units working together to keep life going. But cells do more than just exist. They adjust, they react, they balance themselves to survive. They perform what we call homeostasis. Like those scientists, we all play a part in understanding the bigger picture. We bring different ideas, we challenge each other, we help each other to learn. Sometimes we get tired, sometimes we fall behind. Estrada did too. But here's the thing, growth doesn't stop when you fall asleep. When we're supported by the people around us, when we allow ourselves to rest, and when we open our minds to learning, we bounce back stronger. She remembered because she had helped herself by joining others. She remembered because she gave her body time to rest. She remembered because she let herself adapt. Homeostasis reminds us life isn't about being perfect all the time. It's about keeping balance in mind, body, and heart. Just like cells, we need the right conditions to grow.
One is the loneliest number that you